Bonsoir chers abonnés membres de la Red Family et bienvenue pour cette nouvelle édition de Axe Nextel. Je suis très ravie de vous retrouver cet après-midi durant une heure de temps, une heure au cours de laquelle nous allons discuter par rapport à nos offres, par rapport à vos questions et suggestions. Comme d'habitude, je suis accompagnée de la douce Amanda. Bonsoir Amanda.
Hello Alette, hello our dear friends and Red Family. We are so glad to have you today. We are excited because, as you know, it's Wednesday and it's Ask Nextel time. It's a time when we talk, we listen to your questions and worries, we try to answer as much as we can, and we refer you to the right channels to be able to solve any issues you may have with Nextel or to be able to express yourself in whatever way you find necessary. Thank you for joining us. I'm sure that we already have a few people joining us online.
Amanda, il y a déjà le Gabio.
Le
Gabio qui nous a rejoint.
He's our first person today. Hello to you. We are excited to have you.
McDonald aussi. Nous avons beaucoup de personnes qui nous ont tout de suite rejoint.
I'm telling you.
Et nous n'allons pas ménager des efforts pour parler de notre offre star de ce moment. Il s'agit de l'offre Sagat Sagat.
Yes.
Qui est aussi bien adressée aux nouveaux abonnés Nextel que les abonnés qui existaient déjà par le passé. Donc, Sagat Sagat est disponible sur deux forfaits, à savoir celui de 500 francs et celui de 1000 francs. Avec celui de 500 francs, vous avez la possibilité d'avoir 50 000 francs de crédit Nextel. Donc, vous pouvez appeler vos proches, vos amis, vos connaissances à volonté. Vous avez également 1,5 mégas de data. Donc, vous profitez de la data et tout ceci va là pendant 7 jours. Donc, voilà l'offre qui est le forfait qui est dédié aux nouveaux abonnés. Et pour ceux qui sont déjà là, vous avez l'offre de 1000 francs qui vous permet non pas d'avoir 50 000 mais 100 000 francs de crédit Nextel, 15 minutes d'appel tout réseau et 2 gigas de data. Tout ceci va là pendant 7 jours. Et rappelons-le, les codes sont les suivants. Pour l'offre de 500 francs, vous avez le code étoile 860 étoile 10 dièse. Et pour 1000 francs, étoile 860 étoile 11 dièse. Pour l'offre de 500 francs, vous pouvez y souscrire de manière illimitée durant 2 mois. Mais après 2 mois, vous pouvez souscrire à l'offre de 1000 francs également. Donc, il n'y a pas de limite avec Nextel. Donc, avec Sagat Sagat, vous profitez de vos proches, vous profitez d'une communication à volonté. Il y a également d'autres offres au cours de que nous allons présenter, Amanda, et que nous allons rappeler durant toute l'émission.
Of course, I'm excited. And as you know, we started last week with Sagat Sagat, which is our new offer on the market. To celebrate the festive periods that are coming up, we launch Sagat Sagat, and it's for you to enjoy. Remember that with just 500 francs, you get 50,000 francs of credit to call Nextel numbers. You get data of 1.5 gig, which is valid for 7 days. Can you imagine? So please try Sagat Sagat today with just 500 francs or 1,000 francs for those of you that want to call off net. You get 15 minutes of calls to other network. And of course, 100,000 francs. Yes, I said 100,000 francs to call Nextel numbers. So just try Sagat Sagat today and enjoy. Aled and I are so excited to be with you. You know, every week we look forward to meeting with you online. We already had Logabio, which was our first
McDonald, Belgirès.
Oh my God.
Beaucoup de personnes.
People are already online. Wow.
Ok, Patou Boris, bonsoir. J'ai tellement de questions que mon ventre veut exploser. Amanda et moi, nous sommes ravis que tu aies beaucoup de questions parce que nous sommes là pour ça. Nous sommes là pour échanger avec vous.
Oh, Alec, before you continue, I see people are sending the care emoji, which is my favorite. Like, you know, I'm excited.
Oui, Amanda,
thank you so
Amanda
much.
aime le care emoji. Je ne sais pas pourquoi, mais elle va bien
It's just so beautiful. I'm excited. Mukete Njelowe says, the best network. Thank you so much. Oh, I love this kind of opening messages. Alert, like, just approval that we are the best. We try our best to give you the best.
Everything.
Okay? We are the best with calls. We are the best with internet. Just try us today, please. please.
Alors, Amanda, beaucoup de personnes nous disent bonsoir. Bonsoir, Monsieur Dika qui nous a rejoint.
Monsieur Dika.
Bonsoir, Boris. J'espère que tu te portes bien. Henri Ntep, bonsoir, Arlette et Amanda. Bonsoir, Harry. Merci.
Excited.
Alors, Lorna Gires, bonsoir, Lorna. Merci de nous avoir rejoints. J'espère que tu seras là jusqu'à la fin. Alors, Fimi Eok, j'espère que je prononce bien. Bonsoir. Alors, dites-nous à chaque fois d'où est-ce que vous nous écrivez, de telle sorte que nous puissions faire un coucou à toutes les personnes qui se trouvent exactement la ville ou le quartier dans lequel vous vous trouvez. Ah, d'accord.
I see so many people joining us, Alette. So many.
Bot Macaque n'est pas couvert par votre réseau. Pensez-y. Nous allons y penser. Alors, Ramsès Dek, bonsoir.
Oh, Ramsès, hello.
Vous êtes
How are you doing? I hope that you're doing well.
Alors,
thank you for joining. So many
beaucoup
people.
De personnes nous
so many hearts. My care emoji. I'm excited. Thank you so much for joining us. Please, let us know your questions right away so that we can jump into that.
Alors, je crois qu'il y avait une question, Amanda, de Pato Boris qui disait, bon, pourquoi les questions? Alors, Boris, tu vois ce cadre qui est Axe Nextel, qui est animé par moi-même et Amanda, est un cadre au cours duquel nous souhaitons échanger avec les abonnés du réseau Nextel, car plein d'entre eux ont des questions, ont des suggestions également à faire pour l'amélioration de nos offres, l'amélioration de notre service client, plein de choses. Donc, c'est un cadre convivial, pas avec beaucoup de protocoles, vraiment, puisque c'est un live Facebook. Et c'est ça, Facebook, interagir nos stress avec vous. Et donc, c'est à ça que c'est Axe Nextel. Et donc, les questions participent donc de cet échange-là.
Of course.
Donc,
of
voilà.
course. Someone is asking why we do this program. And I'm sure that our fans from before will tell you exactly that. People look forward to Wednesdays because they get to ask their questions with no protocol. They don't have to go to the shop. They don't have to move anywhere. From the comfort of your home, you get to ask us exactly what you need to know about Nextel. And we answer your questions right away live on Facebook. This is the importance of this. Is why we do this for you, our customers, so that we can talk with you directly, answer your questions, listen to your worries, listen to your suggestions. And I can promise you that we have a lot coming up because of your suggestions. So please, ask your questions. Let us know what you would like us to change. Let us know what you'd like us to add. Maybe a special product that is in your heart. And why not? We'll let our management know and they may do something about it.
Et beaucoup d'entre eux, Amanda, demandent déjà ce qu'il y a de new, ce qu'il y a de nouveau.
Oh, Sagat.
Sagat.
Alan, I'm sorry, I'm just so excited.
Tel que Amanda l'a dit, c'est Sagat. Cette offre de Nextel qui permet à chaque abonné d'avoir beaucoup de crédits de communication. Nextel et tout réseau également. Donc, l'offre est disponible sur 2 principaux forfaits et uniques d'ailleurs. Nous avons le forfait de 500 francs et celui de 1000 francs. Alors, pour accéder au forfait de 500 francs, il suffit juste de taper étoile 860, étoile 10 dièse. Et pour celui de 1000 francs, étoile 860, étoile 11 dièse. Alors, Amanda.
Of course.
Celui de 1000 francs, Amanda, permet d'avoir 50 000 francs de crédit Nextel. Celui de 500, autant pour moi. Et celui de 1000 francs permet d'avoir 100 000 francs d'appel Nextel, 15 minutes.
Other networks.
Ouais, tout réseau et 2 gigas de data. Tout ceci valable pendant 7 jours. Amanda, je crois que on doit maîtriser nos...
I'm telling you.
On doit marteler à chaque fois, c'est Sagat. N'hésitez pas, étoile 860, étoile 10 dièse et étoile 860, étoile 11 dièse.
Of course. Like Aled was reminding, I'm so excited. Sagat is on the market. You guys try it out. 500 francs, you get 50,000 francs airtime. Call Nextel numbers plus 1.5 gigabytes of data to browse within 7 days. Okay, it doesn't get any better than that. 50,000 francs for 7 days, people. You get to call and call and call.
Ouais, Amanda.
For those of you that have people that are maybe not the same town with you, you can reach out to them. You can call. And remember, the code is *860 *10 hash, *860 *10 hash for 500 francs, and *860 *11 hash for 1,000 francs to call Nextel numbers. 100, you get 100,000 francs plus 15 minutes to call other networks, okay? Plus 2 gigabytes of data. Those that love data like me,
oui.
of course. So check it out. Try Sagat.
Alors, Amanda, beaucoup de personnes nous
I'm
rejoignent.
telling
Nous
you.
avons Rénal Boundé qui nous a
Ooh,
rejoint.
hi,
Coucou
Reynald.
à toi, Rénal. Merci de nous avoir rejoints et on espère que tu seras là jusqu'à la fin.
I'm telling you.
Alors,
I see
Ramses
Bolton
Dex,
Iba.
Mhm.
He says, hello, good evening.
Hello, Bolton.
Yes, hello, Bolt. Please let us know where you're texting from. Aled, go ahead.
Alors, Filming est de Yaoundé depuis Afan Oya. Oh là là, mais
Ok.
sympa. Merci de nous rejoindre. Nous sommes très contents de savoir que tu nous suis depuis cette localité-là. Alors, nous avons beaucoup de personnes. Ok, que Nextel augmente ses chaînes TV. Ah, je crois que Firmin parle là de notre belle offre, Nextel TV.
Oh, of course.
Alors, Nextel TV, pour ceux qui ne le savent pas encore, est cette application qui vous permet de Nextel, parce qu'il faut avoir un numéro Nextel pour y accéder, qui permet d'avoir la TV au bout des doigts, parce que vous accédez à des chaînes de télévision aussi bien nationales qu'internationales à travers votre téléphone. Vous avez également des VOD, vous avez des séries, de belles choses, tellement de bouquets, et tout ceci à partir de 50 francs CFA seulement.
Of course.
Donc, il demande que l'on augmente les chaînes de TV. Amanda, je crois que nous devons aussi y penser.
Yes, I think we should let our management know this request. And then before I get to Nextel TV, Tua Catherine says, hello guys. Have you thought about adding Instagram to Next Socials bundle and do an
Amanda,
increase? Can you imagine?
Je crois que
So
c'est
guys,
une surprise, Amanda.
yes, so
Que
we are
nous
not going to
réservons.
say anything. We are going to tell you that please be patient with us, okay?
Mais-
we have
mais
thought
Amanda,
about everything you tell us on this show.
Mais on peut
Our
déjà dire
management
que c'est
knows.
sur la bonne voie parce que... oui, Amanda.
Yes, yes, I think that you guys have insisted and
Ouais.
they're finally going to hear. So just be patient a little bit, right?
Ouais, c'est une surprise,
Thank you
Amanda,
so
parce
much,
que dans
Tua
quelques
Catherine.
jours, ce sera décembre.
I'm telling
Donc,
you.
nous tenons à célébrer et Amanda a plein de belles choses pour vous.
Just
je
be
vous assure.
patient. Christmas is around the corner, so we are already thinking about all the requests that you make for to us on this show. Okay, and Aled was
Alors.
talking about Nextel TV.
Ouais.
Some people have enjoyed Nextel TV until they want more content and channels. Okay, if you haven't tried it out, please go to Play Store or App Store and download the application Nextel TV and enjoy live channels, videos on demand, tutorials, whatever you need is there on Nextel TV concerning entertainment. And for those that are enjoying it and talking about adding other bundles to it, trust me, we are going to take this information back to our management because it shows that you guys are enjoying Nextel TV. So if you haven't tried it, check it out. Download the application on Play Store or App Store, and remember that you can only use the application with a Nextel SIM card. Okay, so we are waiting for your feedback for those that have not tried it yet, and for those that have tried it and want more channels, we will let our management
Oui,
know.
bien sûr, Amanda, car c'est aussi ça notre rôle de relayer ces suggestions de nos abonnés auprès de notre hiérarchie, de telle sorte que l'offre puisse être améliorée. Amanda. Alors, nous avons Henri Tep qui dit Next Social est le meilleur forfait de Nextel Cameroun. Ça, c'est un Next Social addict. Merci Henri, et crois-moi, Amanda et moi aussi, nous sommes folles de Next
Of
Social.
course, we
Next
love
Social fait
Next
aussi
Social.
partie de l'offre. Je crois que c'est l'offre data que Amanda et moi.
Yes, we
On
love
utilise
this
le
package. Yes.
Bon, il y a aussi Fly Extra.
We have Fly Extra. We have Fly Monthly. Aled, I think we just love. In fact, we just try everything. If
Et
you have not
surtout,
tried Nextel, try.
Amanda, et surtout que il y a la possibilité de cumuler plusieurs offres data à condition qu'elles n'appartiennent pas à la même nature. Concrètement, il s'agit de quoi? Si vous souscrivez à une offre au forfait Next Social mois, vous avez la possibilité de cumuler avec un autre forfait, par exemple de Fly Extra. Mais vous ne pouvez pas cumuler Next Social semaine et Next Social mois. Non, ça, c'est pas possible. Donc, il y a également cette possibilité-là. N'hésitez pas, Amanda. Je crois que c'est l'occasion aussi de faire un clin d'œil à NiceSurf.
Yes.
Qui a cette offre-là qui
The
te
night.
permet d'avoir plein de mégas pour ceux qui n'aiment pas dormir, tôt comme moi.
Those that don't love sleep too
Ouais,
much, right?
et
Aled, but
c'est-
sometimes you are awake at night, so you find yourself using
Mais
night
bien
surf.
sûr, mais
And
bien
talking
sûr.
about night surf, Tua Katrin comes back to tell us that we should do another bundle in the afternoon, like night serve, so that she does not have to wait till the night.
Oh,
Okay, Katrin, we got your input, but we are going to give this to our management. Maybe something that they'll consider. Why not? But until then, please try night serve. Enjoy it. I'm sure that you're already enjoying it. Try Fly Extra, which is also available during the day. Try Next Socials. Try Fly Monthly, Fly Daily, Fly Weekly. We have so many browsing packages. And if you like a lot of data, try Serve Extra, which is one of our packages that people that like a lot of data at any time use. Okay, check it out at *865# and enjoy Katrin. And I think, Alette, don't you think we should give a little gift to our people that are online?
Amanda, nous sommes déjà là depuis à peu près 15 minutes. Donc je crois que il est temps que tu balances la première surprise.
I'm telling you, are you guys ready?
Alors,
okay, so I'm going to pin it to the screen so that you can benefit and know that there are fast people like McDonald's,
le Gabio, Theodore, Al-Amin,
Ramsey. So please be fast. And I don't see Al-Amin today. I hope he's okay today. Okay, we are waiting for you, Al-Amin. If you are listening to us, please indicate that you're listening so that we give a big shout out to our
Amanda
people.
a déjà publié la surprise.
Of course, it's there. Please, I pinned it to the screen so that those of you that can be faster than Le Gabio, Ramsey, McDonald's, then good for you. If not, then I'm sorry.
Et il y a également Aishi qui également fait une autre suggestion, Amanda.
I see, yes, Katrin Tua, she says that we should make OHA accumulate, we should be able to accumulate the OHA package.
Amanda.
Okay. Before then, let's tell them what OHA is, because not everybody knows what OHA is, right? Yes, OHA is a package that you use to make calls in Nextel. It is when you activate your SIM card and you refill your airtime in your SIM card, you get the OHA packages. We have the OHA 200, we have the OHA 500. We have OHA 400 depending on the package that you want. At *860#, you select OHA and you see the various bonuses that you get. Now, for this package, remember that Nextel packages are not cumulative, meaning that you can't accumulate a package of the same type. If you have one OHA package, you cannot add another OHA package to it. Okay? The same for all our other packages. If you have a Fly Extra package, you cannot add another Fly Extra to it. This is just the way our packages are, so that you have your package, you will not be confused with your current package. It is just for easy, it is to make your lives easier as our consumers. So right now it cannot be accumulated, but like you said, we are going to let our management know so that they can think about accumulating if it is possible, and we will let you know as soon as possible, right, Alette?
Oui, merci Amanda, merci de rappeler ce point qui est très important. Alors Amanda, il y a Jonathan qui dit ajouter un autre réseau social à Next Social comme YouTube. Alors je crois que Amanda, Next Social, c'est notre offre data qui crée beaucoup de japas tout autour. Okay. Alors, il y a TikTok qui voulait, il y a Instagram, il y a Zoom, il y a Telegram. C'est-à-dire que...
I take your permission to speak French,
s'il te plaît.
Ça veut dire que vous voulez tout.
Amanda, oh, tu n'es pas là pour... Amanda n'est pas là pour apprécier.
This means that you guys want all the packages on Next Socials.
Incroyable.
It means you people have abandoned all our other
Fly Extra, Fly Daily. Alors, Amanda, tellement d'offres qu'ils veulent mettre de côté. Nous allons y penser, Jonathan. Mais d'ores et déjà, il est bien de rappeler que nous avons une surprise concernant Next Social dans les jours à venir.
Of course.
Donc, restez
just be patient. Yes.
Et un peu patient.
Especially on Ask Nextel, we will tell you now. You know that you are our friends. And talking about that, Alette, we have Al-Amin that just came online. Hello, we are so excited.
We miss you, Al-Amin.
What happened? Why are you late today? We missed you a lot. Thank you. A big shout out to you and all our people in Bamenda. Please say hello, share with your friends so that they can join us. Thanks for joining. He says, hello, my girls. Hello to you too. We are excited.
Il revient Al-Amin qui dit, from your son, Ami, c'est
Hello, Amir.
Salut, Amir. Nous sommes
Amir,
contents.
we miss you. Please join. I hope that you're watching with us, okay? Say hello to your friends, your neighbors. Let them know. Let them watch. And let us chat. If you have any questions, any comments, any contributions, we are here for you on Wednesdays at 5 p.m.
Le
right?
Gabio, il dit qu'il aime beaucoup ton français, Amanda.
Oh, le Gabio. Thank you so much.
Amanda,
don't worry.
Accent,
This French like this, we must.
Un peu comme une
we must know this French. Trust me, le Gabio, we are going to know this French, okay? Thank
Alors, il y a Catherine qui te demande également.
Okay, Catherine, the numbers that we are pinning are bonuses, okay? If you have your Nextel SIM cards, let me give the answers today, Alette, don't you think? If you have your Nextel SIM card, dial star 802, star the code that we just sent and hash. This will enable you to benefit from some small bonus that we give to you, our listeners, for joining us and for sharing, for being here with us every Wednesdays, right?
Oui.
So please check dial star 802 star this code that I just sent hash to receive the small bonus appreciation that we give you every week too. Thank you for joining us. So thank you for your suggestions and questions, and to continue to interact with you. It is our way of saying that we love you. Thank you so much. I see Patou Yaro.
Ouais, Patou nous a rejoint. Elle a raté ta phrase en français, mais je suis sûre que tu vas continuer de parler là.
I'm telling you, Patou says that hello ladies. Kaji says hi. Hi Kaji.
Bonsoir,
thank you for
Patou.
joining us
Bonsoir,
today.
Kaji.
We hope that you're doing well. We hope that you have told your friends to watch us and talk with us. We are excited to join you, Kadi. Thank you so much.
Amanda.
Alette, I'm seeing so many French comments, right?
Alors, Théodore qui dit une surprise. J'ai vraiment hâte, mais bien sûr, Théodore. Parce que la surprise, je suis sûre. Et tu fais partie de ces gens qui ont réclamé cette surprise.
I'm telling you,
alors,
Théodore.
je suis sûre que tu seras comblé avec Amanda Ange Efa qui dit vraiment YouTube ou Instagram.
Ok.
Ange Efa. Ange. J'espère que tu te portes bien.
Like this.
Je t'assure qu'on aura cette belle surprise-là et tu ne seras pas déçu.
Okay.
Jonathan.
Let me just say that there, Alette. It's like if we don't add next socials, one of these days, these people will come here to tell us that we should add on this. Don't worry, you guys, just be patient with us. We are working on it seriously. We're going to give you some good surprises. It's almost Christmas and we have a lot coming up for you. Thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you for your questions. Thank you for your enthusiasm, especially about next socials. We are working on something great for you. But until then, remember that we have Fly Extra. We have Fly Daily, Fly Monthly, Fly Weekly. So many packages, so many offers. With our new Sagat, you even get data bonuses on top of the call bonuses that we give to you. So please use these ones while we are working on more packages for you, right, Alette? Because you cannot just fold your arms and wait. You need to do something.
Ange nous dit, ok, super, qu'elle attend. Vous êtes belle, Jonathan. Bonsoir, j'espère que tu te portes bien. Vous êtes toutes belles, j'attends la surprise avec impatience.
Of course, we are
Sinon,
going to have
merci
another
beaucoup.
one.
Et il dit qu'il est comblé avec Next Social. Sache que nous aussi, nous sommes également comblés, Amanda et moi, avec Next Social. Merci beaucoup de ce témoignage.
Ici, Ange Efa.
Oui, Ange Efa. Ah, le Bluetooth nous a rejoint. Bonsoir, le
Bluetooth. We missed you. Where were you? You're always one of the first people. Thank you for joining. And let me tell you, our customers, that as the Bluetooth is here, competition just got high because this is one of the people that is so fast with our surprises that we give here on Ask Nextel. So please, when we send the next one, be very fast, though.
Oui,
I'm
parce
telling
que
you.
c'est l'occasion de rappeler que pour bénéficier de cette surprise que Amanda dont elle va vous faire part, il suffit juste de taper le code étoile 802 étoiles, la suite des chiffres, dièse. Donc il faut être rapide parce que quand on a le Gabio, McDonald's, le Bluetooth connecté, sincèrement, ils sont trop rapides.
I'm telling you, they are very fast. So please, for the next code, if you are not fast, okay. I see so many people.
Alors Chantal Manuela, bonsoir. J'espère que tu te portes bien. Merci de nous rejoindre. Nextel, elle le meilleur au Cameroun, on m'a offert un forfait de 3 gigas, donc 1 giga par jour. Ça, c'est Francis Le Croate. Bonsoir Francis et merci pour cet agréable témoignage. Alors, c'est sûr que... Ok, please remind how to get
the bonus. Yes, Catherine is asking on how to get the bonus that we send. For the bonuses, you dial *802 * the code that we send hash to receive the bonus that we put on the screen. Okay, Catherine. So for the next one, make sure that you're very fast because we have a lot of competition online. Thank you so much, Catherine. A quick reminder to get the bonus is *802 * this code hash to receive it with a Nextel SIM card.
Oui, c'est très important de le rappeler.
Yes, with a Nextel SIM card. And while waiting for the next questions to come in, and I see so many hearts.
Oui,
it seems someone is angry. Please, whoever is sending the angry emoji, can you let us know what's happening so that we can solve your problem? We love smiles and hugs here, okay?
Dans la bonne humeur. Jonathan, alors pour profiter du... Comment saisir le code? C'est étoile 802, étoile la suite des chiffres dièse.
And before we go to that, remember that we have Sagat for you. Okay, Sagat is a promotion that helps you to get free calls to Nextel numbers, get calls to other networks, you get data and so on and so forth. For just 500 francs, you get 1.5 gigabyte plus 50,000, yes, I said 50,000 francs calls to Nextel numbers. And for 1,000 francs, you get 100,000 francs plus 2 gigabyte plus 15 minutes to other networks. Okay, it doesn't get any better than this. Try Sagat at *860 hash and select Sagat or *860 *10 for 500 francs and *860 *11 for 1,000 francs.
Voilà.
Try it if you haven't tried it, and remember that all these codes are with a Nextel number. I cannot insist enough. Try it out with your Nextel number. And for those that don't have Nextel numbers, remember it's just 100 francs and your ID card for proper identification.
Oui.
Get to the shop, get your ID card and get your SIM card. From this, you can enjoy all these bonuses that Nextel offers and more coming up. Okay, try our services today. And then Catherine is also asking for Nextel money. Yes, I know you are one of many people that wants Nextel money, and like we said, please be patient with us. We are working on this. Trust us, we are working. You know, we always want to put the best on the market, and the best takes time. The best is not just something that you do for a little while and get it. So we are going to give you the best. Just be a little patient with us.
Alors, Amanda, beaucoup de personnes également réagissent.
Yeah.
Chantal Manuela, pourquoi vous n'accordez plus de prêts de crédit comme avant? Alors, Amanda, pour profiter du crédit, il faut juste d'un prêt de crédit, il faut taper étoile 802 dièse.
Yes.
Et là, vous pourrez bénéficier d'un prêt, c'est vrai, limité à 250 francs, mais c'est un prêt tout de même. Alors,
so like, yes, let me tell the English people. Yes, she was asking about borrowing credit. So for you to get extra airtime on the Nextel SIM card, you dial *802 hash and you get 250 francs. This is for in case you're in an emergency, if you need airtime and you can't find any place to get airtime. *802 hash will give you airtime on borrow, as they say, on a loan, and then you can repay it later on. So *802, not *803, my dear, *802 hash, and you get the airtime that Nextel is going to give to you. Thank you for your question and your comments, because it has helped other people to know that you can borrow airtime at *802 hash. Thank you. So many people.
Habib Faïd qui nous a rejoint. Bonsoir à toi. J'espère que tu te portes bien. Merci de nous avoir rejoints. Boston Ipek, bonsoir. Qui dit qu'il veut plus de chaînes de sport dans Nextel TV et il veut surtout qu'on ajoute Telegram annexe social. Ok, Boston, nous avons pris en compte ta suggestion et nous allons faire part de cela à notre hiérarchie. Mais d'ores et déjà, dans les prochains jours, il y a une belle surprise que l'on vous réserve par rapport à Next Social. Donc, restez très attentifs et surtout un peu un tout petit peu patient quand même.
I see Bolton says that I am Bolton and I want to ask about a good football channel on Nextel TV if you don't mind. We don't mind the charges. Hello Bolton. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for your suggestion. And about Nextel TV, someone also asked that we add other channels to Nextel TV. So this is a suggestion, a new suggestion that we are going to take back to our management and let them know that you guys want more channels on our Nextel TV platform. And I'm sure that there will be some solution for you. Thank you so much for trusting us. Thank you for using Nextel TV in particular and Nextel in general. Thank you for being a part of the Red family, and we are going to take this particular message to our management so that they can think about more channels on the Nextel TV channel.
Et il est important, Amanda, de rappeler que pour profiter de Nextel TV, la première condition est de disposer d'une SIM Nextel.
Of course.
Donc, il faut avoir une puce Nextel. Sinon, vous ne pourriez pas télécharger l'application sur Google Play Store et surtout souscrire à partir de 50 francs à un bouquet. Et surtout, c'est très important également de dire ceci: lorsque vous utilisez Nextel TV, votre volume data n'est pas épuisé. Donc, vous pouvez souscrire librement à une offre data, également un bouquet Nextel TV. Vous n'aurez aucun problème entre les deux. C'est important de le rappeler souvent, Amanda.
Remember that you can download the Nextel TV application on App Store or Play Store to enjoy the various bonuses that we give you, the various channels, the videos on demand, and so on and so forth. So much content that you find there. Jonathan now says, for the quiz, I don't know why I never win. Please tell me how I can do. I see many people posting how they won 5K and so on. Hello, Jonathan. Thank you so much for letting us know. And I assume that you're talking about the Nextel quiz that we do every few weeks on our Nextel Care Club. Okay, Nextel Care Club is a Facebook group that we have, that we also interact with you guys, not directly live, but through our chat forum. So you join the group and then you stand a chance to play and win the Nextel quiz. We have so many prizes and surprises that we give for you, and on that group they announce every once in a while when we are going to play the quiz, and then you win. So join the Nextel group, Nextel Care Club. It's on Facebook, and then you stand a chance to win whenever a quiz comes up. So get there, join the group. And for those of you that don't know, we also have quizzes and surprises on our Nextel Care Club, which is our Facebook group that has all the Red family there together. Aled and I are there. We are inviting you to join us there so that you can stand a chance to win so many prizes. So Jonathan, that is how you win. And also on Ask Nextel, once in a while we ask questions. Other times we just share the bonuses to those that are fast and are online with us to win prizes also on Ask Nextel. And if you want to win by answering questions, join our Nextel Care Club, which is our Facebook group. Okay, Jonathan, thank you so much for your question. I'm sure this has helped someone to understand. Talking about Nextel Care Club, it is also where you can ask your questions and someone will attend to you directly on the group. You ask your question on the group and then they answer so that others can benefit from it. If you also want to reach us, you can reach us on Facebook, our page, or the group. You can reach us on WhatsApp. You can reach us on Twitter, Instagram. You can reach us on calls at 8123. We have so many ways in which we would like to talk to you, listen to your complaints, and see the best we can do to answer them or solve your issues. Thank you so much, Jonathan.
Alors, Amanda, durant ton monologue, beaucoup de personnes nous ont rejoint.
Yes, so many.
Nous avons Tatanga. Bonsoir. J'espère que tu te portes bien. Rabiatou Amadou, bonsoir et bienvenue à Ask Nextel. J'espère que
Tatanga.
Vous allez passer un agréable
It's like you don't know Tatanga. Tatanga is mousse, right? Yes.
Ok. Bonsoir à toi, Mousse, et un coucou spécial. Et je suis contente que tu aies pu nous rejoindre.
Of course. I just had to let you know.
Okay.
I see Aliu Ahmed. He says, I love Nextel. We love you too, Aliu. We love Nextel. We are all part of this big Red family. Thank you for joining us, Aliu. I hope that you have your SIM card ready for the next surprise because we are getting ready to share. Oui. Cham Fomukom is watching. Hi, Cham. I'm sure you're watching all the way from the UK. A special kiss going out to you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for being a part of this big red family.
Oui, Amanda, je crois que tu peux lancer la prochaine surprise.
Of course. Cham Fomukom says Mandy with lots of kisses. Oh God, thank you so much, Cham. Please share so that other people can join us on this live show. Tatanga also says, Alette, are you seeing?
Bien sûr. Good job, Mandy et Alette.
Oh God.
Merci beaucoup pour cet encouragement.
Are you excited? Me, I'm excited. Okay, so you guys, we have the next surprise for you since we have been joined by so many.
802 étoiles, la continuité des chiffres dièse. Profitez
Remember,
et soyez rapides
star 802 star this code hash to benefit from it right now. Remember that there are fast people.
Oui, il y a des concurrents sérieux tels que McDonald's, le Gabio, le Bluetooth,
Al-Amin, all these people are the chefs. So please be very fast if you want to win. I remember Jonathan said he wanted to win.
Alors,
okay, Jonathan, this is your chance. Go ahead with your Nextel SIM card, star 802 star the code hash. Okay. So, you see, Jonathan, he just said another thing.
Je sens que je n'aurai jamais de surprise, de chance avec Axe Nextel car ma SIM est dans le modem. Donc, oh là là.
Oh
donc,
my
saisir
God.
le code, c'est comme
so, this means that, Jonathan, next week, you get to the shop and get a SIM card for your phone.
Oui.
Yes.
Simplement parce que c'est
so
le
that
seul
next
moyen.
week you have, in fact, you'll be the first, right? Thank you so much, Jonathan. Thank you for...
Alors, El Poupa Joseph, bonsoir. Je vous félicite trop sur le réseau Nextel.
Oh
Merci
God, thank
beaucoup.
you. We are trying our best to give you the best. Okay.
Et sachez que pour toutes ces zones où le réseau connaît des perturbations, nos collègues techniciens se donnent corps et âme chaque jour pour améliorer ce réseau-là. Dans ces zones qui rencontrent des difficultés. Donc, il est important également de le rappeler. Amanda, okay, I'm tired of waiting to answer.
Bolton is tired of waiting. Well, Bolton, here we don't ask questions. Here we give the bonuses like that because we believe that we are all part of a big red family. So you just need to be very fast. Sometimes we ask questions though, but this week we decided that we should be a little nice. Next week is Christmas, right? So we decided to start celebrating early, Bolton. And if you want to answer questions and win, you check out our Nextel Care Club. There, they will announce the dates on which we have quizzes because we have lots of surprises there for you and we get to chat and enjoy with you. Thank you, Bolton. I hope that makes sense. And keep being with us. If you have your Nextel SIM card in your phone, get ready for the next surprise because I think Alette, they deserve another surprise. Okay?
Et Amanda, et surtout qu'avec cette surprise-là, ils peuvent souscrire à Sagat.
Oh, next socials.
Et Sagat, c'est l'offre du moment. Parce qu'avec Sagat 500, tu as 50 000 francs d'appel Nextel. Tu as également 1,5 giga de data.
Of course.
Tout ceci valide pendant 7 jours. Il y a mieux. Avec Sagat 1000 francs, tu as 100 000 francs de crédit Nextel juste pour toi. 15 minutes d'appel tout réseau. Donc, c'est pas également limité à Nextel. Si tu as des proches qui appartiennent à d'autres réseaux, Nextel te donne l'opportunité de discuter avec eux sans problème. Tu as également 2 gigabits de data. Amanda. Avec ça, tu profites de la data de Nextel. Tout ceci valable pendant 7 jours au étoile 860, étoile 11 dièse et étoile 860, étoile 10 dièse. Amanda.
I'm telling you, Sagat, the offer of the moment, like we are calling it, because it's almost Christmas and we started to bring our gifts early. Okay? With just 500 francs, you get 50,000 francs. Yes, I said it. 50,000 francs of airtime to call Nextel numbers. Meaning that you can call the whole day now. If you want.
Puisque si la validité de 7 jours.
Data 1.5 gigabyte as well on top of this for just 500 francs. Check out Sagat. Call your loved ones, reach out to them, let them know that Nextel is doing this offer so that we can all keep in touch and be a big happy red family. We also have Sagat 1,000 francs, which makes you to call for 100,000 francs. Yes, 100,000 francs. Come, Alette.
Ouais, 100,000.
And I spoke French again because I'm so excited about this. You get to call Nextel numbers with the equivalent amount of 100,000 francs, and 15 minutes to call other networks if you have friends and family in other networks, and of course 2 gigabytes of data. All these are just star 860 star 10 hash for the 500 francs and star 860 star 11 for the 1,000 francs. Check out these packages. Enjoy. Et
il y a l'un de nos abonnés, LM Maudit, j'espère que je prononce bien, qui demande au code de Sagat. Alors, pour celui de 500, c'est étoile 860, étoile 10 dièse.
Yes.
Celui de 1000 francs, c'est étoile 860, étoile 11 dièse. Simple. Et surtout qu'en dehors de ce cadre de Axe Nextel, nous avons notre service client qui est là pour vous écouter et vous servir 24 heures sur 24. Et nous tenons à les féliciter parce que, Amanda, grâce à eux, vous avez l'occasion de les contacter et de poser tous vos problèmes. Donc, n'oubliez pas, vous pouvez contacter nos collègues du service client au 81 23.
Of course.
Et check out our vous pouvez aussi nous écrire sur nos plateformes digitales, à savoir notre compte Facebook, Instagram, Twitter,
WhatsApp. We are everywhere, Alette. We are everywhere waiting for you. Alette, are you seeing the comments of Logabio?
Like, quand tu souscris à Sagat, 1000 francs, tu appelles comme un chef d'entreprise.
Oh, merci, Nextel. Really? Yes, that's Nextel for you.
Oh, le Gabio qui fait partie de ces abonnés-là qui nous sont très fidèle à ce programme, Axe Nextel.
And Nextel in general, because I'm sure he subscribes every day.
Mais le gars, je vois qu'il était très clément et gentil. Il a laissé les autres profiter de...
Today, he was very calm. Thank you for being understanding. Thank you for letting others win as well. Before we get to the final surprise, ask your questions. Let us know your worries.
Amanda,
let us know what's happening. We have just about 19 minutes.
Ouais.
Yes, we have just almost 15 minutes. We are going to continue listening to your questions. So let us know exactly what you want us to
Amanda,
explain to you today.
J'ai une très belle idée. Et si vous essayez de deviner de quelle surprise il s'agit pour Next Social pour les prochains jours, avec à la clé non pas un bonus, mais on va doubler les bonus, Amanda. Pour ceux qui vont trouver la bonne réponse. Alors, je vais formuler pour l'occasion, si tu le permets bien, Amanda.
Of course.
À votre avis, quelle est la surprise que l'on vous réserve pour les forfaits Next Social? Pour l'offre Next Social, quelle est la surprise que nous sommes actuellement en train de préparer pour tous ceux et celles qui vont trouver la bonne réponse? Amanda va vous doubler de surprise. Elle va renouveler la mise.
Of course.
Alors, Amanda, qu'est-ce que tu en penses?
Next week, remember that next week is December. December means Christmas and end of year celebration. So we are looking forward to celebrating with you, the Red family. So next week is going to be amazing. Check out your Sagat packages. For those of you that don't have an Nextel SIM card yet, get your SIM card so that from next week, we are going to enjoy, like Alec always says. So from next week, we will have lots of surprises for you, and we are going to be asking some questions. So please check out the Nextel products. That if you want to find out about any product, ask now, because next week we're going to ask lots of questions, and you guys will answer and get your various prices. Like some people were asking.
Réaction déjà.
Yes.
Il y a McDonald's qui parle de l'ajout de Telegram et un autre réseau social. Alors, quel est l'autre réseau social? Merci déjà McDonald's de cette contribution et on enregistre. Et on espère que peut-être tu as donné la bonne réponse pour pouvoir profiter de la double surprise d'Amanda. Jonathan dit au Gabio, tu connais même Hora avec 60.
Si, Jonathan knows.
Jonathan, alors le Gabio, tu as suivi ce que Jonathan a dit. Il demande si tu connais même Hora. Avec 72 heures d'appel, on va ajouter Instagram et Telegram, mais le prix va augmenter peut-être à 4000. Ramsès
Dex is giving us the price, even he's willing to pay.
Alors, Ramsès Dex, merci beaucoup de cette contribution. Amanda et moi, nous enregistrons
le Bluetooth. To tell our management, actually.
Le Bluetooth qui parle de l'ajout de Telegram. J'ai comme l'impression que c'est même déjà effectif. Mais on va garder
Sagat. You use Telegram as if it is already available.
Il veut Telegram dans Next Social, Amanda. C'est ça qu'il veut.
Thank you so much, le Bluetooth. Thank you.
Vous m'avez même déjà donné des insomnies. Je pense déjà à la surprise Boston. Ah oui, Boston. Je suis sûre que ce sera une surprise qui va nous plaire à tous. Hein.
Of course.
Nous tous membres de la Red Family.
Patient.
On va enjoy.
All of us. Starting with Alette and I, because we start enjoying first there. Maybe you think we don't. We enjoy first. That's why you see us smiling like this, because we are enjoying our next socials. We are enjoying Sagat. We are enjoying a Fly Extra. We are enjoying we are just enjoying everything.
As Nextel.
Every Wednesday we talk with you. You send comments. You ask us questions. We are just enjoying. So we are inviting you to join us and enjoy Nextel with us, because trust me, we are the best. And we
le
Gabio,
il est très dangereux. Permettez-moi de chuchoter le Gabio qui dit peut-être on va ajouter Instagram. Le Gabio, on ne peut pas te répondre pour l'instant, mais nous avons enregistré.
Just be patient. And then Jonathan says that Telegram and TikTok. Okay. TikTok,
YouTube, Telegram,
everything.
Instagram.
They want everything on Next Socials. Before waiting for everything, please check out Fly Extra, Fly Monthly, Surf Extra, Night Surf, for those that don't like Sagat.
Et si tu le permets, Amanda, il y a Paul Waris Ngomoni, bonsoir déjà, qui demande le code. Alors, le code de Sagat, sache déjà que Sagat est disponible sur 2 forfaits, celui de 500 francs et celui de 1000 francs. Alors, le code de celui de 500 francs est étoile 860, étoile 10 dièse, et celui de 1000 francs, étoile 860, étoile 11 dièse. Et là, tu profites pour 1000 francs, parce que moi, je te suggère le forfait de 1000 francs. Là, tu as un gros, tu es comme un chef, tu es comme un boss.
You have 2 gig.
2 gigas, comme elle dit, de data. 15 minutes d'appel, tout réseau. Mon frère, 15 minutes d'appel, tout réseau. Donc, c'est sans limite là. Et tu as 100 000 francs d'appel Nextel. Alors,
so many bonuses. McDonald's is also asking for Telegram and TikTok.
McDonald's aime beaucoup TikTok.
It's like you are really a fan of this TikTok. Don't worry, we have let our management. Yes, we let our management know. Remember that Sagat star 860 star 10 for 500 francs to get 50,000 francs of calls to Nextel numbers, plus 1.5 gigabytes of data. Okay, enjoy. And for those of you that want to be the real bosses, 1,000 francs gives you 100,000 francs of calls to Nextel numbers, 15 minutes of calls to other networks, plus 2 gigabyte data for those that love to browse. For those that are asking for Telegram and Instagram, for now, try Sagat first while we are processing your surprise.
Amanda,
that is coming up very soon.
Commentaire qui va te faire rire, je suis sûre. Alors, Jonathan dit que pour lui, pour deviner la surprise, il reste dans le Grams, c'est-à-dire Instagram ou Telegram. Alors, Jonathan, Amanda et moi, nous enregistrons ta suggestion pour ce qui est de la surprise.
Exactly. And then I just put the next code up. So for those of you that are fast.
Étoile 802, étoile le code d'Amanda dièse.
Exactly.
Profitez
star
rapidement.
802, star the code hash. Okay, enjoy right now, because we have fast people in the house. And Aled, we have just about 10 minutes to go. So please, you guys, send in your questions, send in more suggestions. Oh, McDonald's, congratulations. I told you that we have fast people in the house.
McDonald's, la prochaine fois, je crois que tu seras disqualifié.
Yes.
Oui, McDonald's, merci d'être rapide. McDonald's est très fidèle également à notre programme.
He's
merci
always
beaucoup
there
à
every
toi.
Wednesday. Thank you for joining. Thank you for winning. I hope that next time you share with other people, right?
Oui.
And McDonald's, do you know that you can use your iShare to share this airtime with other people?
Ah oui,
at
Amanda.
869 if you want to share with your family, with other friends that did not win.
Sans frais.
Yes, with no cost. You can
Sans
share
frais.
with your friends.
Avec
your family.
iShare de Nextel, tu peux envoyer du crédit à tes proches, Amanda.
Exactly.
Sans frais. C'est souvent... Amanda, mais on a même
We
tout
have
ici.
everything. We have everything in Nextel. If you have not tried
iShare,
us,
Nextel TV, Sagat,
Fly
Nexo
Extra,
Chat.
where
Et ça, c'est pas tout. Donc,
the list is endless. Try us. But for McDonald's, for you to share your airtime with your friends, I was just about to say that you need to send PIN to 869 to receive the code that you use to share your airtime with your friends, right? Once you receive this code, you use it to share airtime with your friends. So send PIN to 869 and receive the code to be able to share with your
Amanda,
friends.
il y a JB qui nous a rejoint, qui dit hi, qui est aussi très présent.
Oh, Jevion, thank you. You're welcome. We missed you today. Where have you been? Thank you for joining us. We're excited to have you online with us today. Bolton says that I forgot to ask about night serve. The time I activated, but the megabyte was not enough. Really? Bolton, it's like you use a lot because night serve gives you 5 gig alert.
Oui,
5 gigabytes
5 gigas à 250
was not
francs.
Enough for you. Oh my god. So it means that after it was done, did you activate again? I'm sure you enjoyed. Okay. Thank you for finishing night surf because this is the first time I'm hearing that someone finished night surf.
En une soirée. Et Paul Waris qui dit Jonathan aura la date en kilogrammes.
I'm telling you.
Jonathan aura la date en kilogrammes s'il souscrit à Sagat, à Night Surf. Amanda, il y a également Sweet Night qui permet à nos abonnés dès minuit à appeler gratuitement après la première minute.
I'm telling you.
Et la première minute, Amanda, elle ne coûte même pas.
Just 60 francs.
And then you call
the whole night.
Tu peux imaginer ça et tu discutes no stress.
So donc check out Sweet Night. Check out Night Surf and maybe like Bolton, you'll be able to finish your megabytes in one night. Thank you so much. Ramses Dex is asking for Nextel Money.
À quand Nextel Money? Oh Ramses, nous y travaillons et nous t'assurons que lorsque ce service sera disponible, tu seras juste
let you know. We have just a few more minutes to go. If you're just joining us, ask your question very fast because we have under 5 minutes to say bye-bye to you. Remember that we are here on Wednesdays at 5 p.m. Aled and I are always here smiling and excited to meet you, to talk with you, to let you know what's up at Nextel. So join us on Wednesdays at 5 p.m. And as from next month, which starts next week, we have lots of surprises for you on the show. We have lots of surprises for you on Nextel itself. So please rush to the shop and get your SIM card. Remember, you need just 100 francs plus your ID card to get a SIM card in Nextel and enjoy all these bonuses that we are preparing for you. Until then, we have Sagat, which is making a lot of noise now on the market. Check it out. 500 francs or 1,000 francs depending on how much of a boss you want to be. There's the boss and then there's the boss. So choose the boss that you want to be with Sagat. Call, browse, call within the network, call other networks.
Data volonté.
A lot of data and so many surprises that we have for you on Nextel. Check it out, okay? Send us your final questions because we have a few more minutes to go.
Effectivement, Amanda, bientôt. Dans quelques minutes, notre programme va s'achever. Donc, posez-nous vos dernières questions, vos suggestions. Et parce que nous sommes à moins de 10 minutes déjà.
Yes, we have just a few more minutes.
Que vous pouvez nous rejoindre à ce programme Nextel chaque mercredi dès 17h pile.
Silas is saying that, hello. Hi Silas, thank you for joining. Where were you? We missed you today.
Silas arrive presque à la fin.
I'm telling you, but thank you for joining us.
Et c'est l'occasion peut-être de lui parler aussi de Sagat. Alors Silas, Sagat est cette offre-là qui te permet d'avoir des appels Nextel à volonté, des appels tout réseau et surtout de la data valide pendant 7 jours. Tu as le forfait de 500 francs qui est accessible aux étoiles 860 étoiles 10 dièse qui te permet d'avoir 50 000 francs d'appel Nextel, 1,5 gigabit de data. Tout ceci va là pendant 7 jours. Pour 1000 francs, c'est vraiment pour être un boss là parce que tu as droit à 100 000. Comme Amanda dit, le vrai boss là, tu as 100 000 francs de crédit Nextel. Donc, tu peux appeler tous tes proches Nextel avec Sagat. Tu as également 15 minutes d'appel tout réseau. tout réseau, 15 minutes, et tu as 2 gigas de data. Tout ceci pendant 7 jours. Et contrairement à l'offre de 500, qui est un peu limitée pour les nouveaux abonnés parce qu'ils ne peuvent que y souscrire pendant 2 mois, avec le palier de 1000 francs. Mais mon frère, tu souscris comme tu veux.
Immediately you get the SIM card.
Amanda,
I'm so excited.
Amanda, what?
I'm so excited for this saga. Immediately you buy the SIM card in the shop. You just become a boss.
Tu peux avoir ça avec Sagat. Donc, pour ceux de vos proches qui hésitent encore, invitez-les à rejoindre la Red Family. Et surtout, le programme Axe Nextel. Parce que chaque mercredi, Amanda,
Jonathan says that, love to see you back. It's my first time on this program. Thank you, Jonathan, for joining us today. We're excited. We look forward to seeing you next week. We are so excited to have been with you today. I also see this guy, they call him what? Gibeon. He says he's still waiting for Nextel money. Of course, Gibeon, we are going to bring
Amanda.
We are going to bring Nextel money. Just be patient with us.
Tu dois lire le commentaire de Boston et il y a quelqu'un qui a déjà
sorry to disturb
smiley.
I forgot.
Tout.
He wants everything on Next Socials. He wants Amazon, Amazon Prime, Netflix, and everything on Next Social.
Super méga Next Social.
Oh God, this
Merci, Boston. Merci,
Thank you so much. Thank you. We are always excited to be with you guys. And I'm sure that in a few minutes we'll be leaving. So let us know your final questions. Let us know your final worries and we'll be here to answer.
Il y a le Gabio qui dit merci beaucoup Arlette et Amanda pour ce merveilleux moment.
Thank you.
Que vous nous réservez chaque semaine. Portez-vous bien. Porte-toi bien le Gabio et sache que Amanda et moi, nous sommes également très contents de t'avoir chaque après-midi, de chaque mercredi, de chaque semaine. Et nous sommes contents d'être avec chacun d'entre vous d'ailleurs, de partager ces instants de choix pour discuter de Nextel, pour parler de tout ce qui concerne notre Red Family.
And if you see any of us from the Red Family on the road, you can ask us questions and we will answer. We are not limited just to ask Nextel.
Et le Gabio qui se moque de Boston qui dit mais oui, le Gabio, mais Boston veut Netflix.
He wants everything.
Et si on faisait un petit summarize, nous savons déjà que Next Social permet d'avoir Instagram, Twitter et WhatsApp. Donc, Boston veut qu'on ajoute Telegram, TikTok,
Netflix,
YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime, mais ce sera du tout en un.
Everything. Thank you so much for your contributions, and of course, as usual, we always take your suggestions back to our management. Remember that the product of the hour is Sagat. Check it out this week. Get a SIM card if you haven't tried it yet, and so that next week when we are giving out the bonuses, you receive one and then you will subscribe to Sagat as a boss. Okay? Check out Sagat. There's the one for 500 francs. There's the one for 1,000 francs. At star 860, star 10 for 500 francs. You get 1.5 gigabyte plus 50,000 calls to Nextel numbers. At 1,000 francs, you get 2 gigabyte plus 100,000 francs plus 15 minutes calls to other networks. Okay? Check it out at star 860, star 11. For our call packages, star 860 hash. For our data packages, star 865 hash. Receive all this with Nextel. Check out our Nextel TV. Check out our surprises. Go to our page. Enjoy. And we look forward to seeing you next week, right, Alex?
Oui, Amanda. Et il y a certains de nos amis qui demandent que l'on continue 10 minutes de plus, mais nous ne pouvons pas parce que c'est sur cette note de fin que je vais également rejoindre Amanda en disant merci d'avoir été si nombreux à nous avoir suivis cet après-midi pour le programme Axe Nextel. Nous espérons que nous allons vous rejoindre la semaine prochaine pour un agréable moment et un rapide rappel de tout ce qui est offre actuellement. Sagat, étoile 860, étoile 10 dièse, étoile 860, étoile 11 dièse. Pour tout ce qui est data, étoile 865 dièse. Pour tout ce qui est appel, étoile 860 dièse.
Yes.
Sous ce, nous vous
Check it
souhaitons
out.
une agréable soirée
And
et à la
enjoy.
semaine prochaine.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.